In this video, we're checking out a couple of Team Associated MT12 RC monster trucks. We have both the original red pickup version along with the newer monster van. After a quick overview, we're going to tear it up with them outside and see what they're capable of. In the box, both versions come with an XP120 2-channel transmitter, all of your instruction manuals and decals, a couple of Allen keys, a bind plug, an additional Velcro battery strap, as well as a 7.4 volt 850 milliamp lithium-ion battery and USB charger. With the red pickup, you also receive a couple of chrome mirrors that you can install on the sides of the body. With that said, Team Associated did include some other plastic details throughout these Lexan bodies. Both versions have the hard plastic side mirrors, a detailed front grille, and some light buckets underneath that give you the option to install an LED light kit. The pickup body also has some door handles, windshield wipers, and a light bar up top for additional LED lights. These Chevron monster truck tires seem to be foamless, which should help soak up some landings, and they're glued onto some nice looking chrome wheels. Underneath the body, the MT12 is based on the Team Associated CR12 crawler platform. So basically everything like the chassis, transmission, suspension, and axles are pretty much carried directly over. The axles do have open differentials instead of lockers though, since it is a monster truck. Powering the MT12, we have a waterproof 2-3S capable ESC hooked up to a Reedy MT380 brushed motor. Up front, we also have a digital Reedy servo steering the front tires. Now, this is a 1/12 scale vehicle, so for a quick size comparison, it's right between the size of the popular 1/10 scale low C LMT and the 1/18 scale low C mini LMT. Even though it's larger than the mini LMT, it's actually less expensive, so it's all going to come down to performance here. Let's see what the MT12 can do. Considering the way this truck is designed, it resembles more of a retro monster truck than a modern day monster truck. So I wasn't really expecting to pull off any crazy stunts with it. I tried anyway and was able to do some two-wheel tricks with it like stoppies, moonwalks, and wheelies. If you try a little harder, you can kind of pull off some flips with it too. After running some batteries through these trucks, I haven't had any issues yet. They seem to hold up pretty well to these smaller jumps and general use. Overall, the MT12 is a fun little truck to drive around with and seems like a nice little setup for beginners. Like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.